In this video, I will show you how to program the ESC through our Blitz DT9 transmitter. Here is our Blitz DT9 transmitter, and then here we got the an ESC, which is Tomcat Skyload series, and this is a 30 amp with BEC2A at 5 volt. Here we got LiPo battery. First of all, we need to turn on the transmitter.
Transmitter set.
And then here, here we got the function set, and we enter it. Number 5, here we got the ESC set. So it says connect initiation, and then waiting, and connect, and then waiting, and then power on. So we just do step by step as it was told us. First here we have 3 wires from, we should see this, the orange color, red color, brown color. Orange color is for signal, and the brown color is for ground, the negative. So here we got the port here is for connect the ESC as positive, negative. So we enter it. That's this. And then we power on. It says ESC connect failure, check connection. So we need to try it and disconnect this.
Function set, waiting for device to connect.
So we just disconnect the battery, because we check the connection of the ESC with the transmitter, and then we reconnect the battery.
ESC program.
Okay, it's okay. So now we need to find that here. We got 17 items, and each item here we got error. So this is still failure. So we disconnect it. And also here disconnect it. And I will try if so many failure times.
Function set. Waiting for device to connect.
We will have a good understanding on the connection and the program. So we connect it. Oh, maybe here connection is failure, and power it.
ESC program.
ESC program. So it means that connection is good. I hope this time is good. Yes, this time. See, here we got 8 items, and each items the parameters is different. Here we got a brick and battery type, cutoff value, start mode, and then we got timing mode, about, and program. Here, for example, the brick, here we got the off and on, and here we got battery type, LiPo and Dynam, and here is LiPo. Here we got cutoff, soft cutoff, metal, cutoff volume, metal, low, high, and start, normal, soft, very, soft, normal. So we can set here metal, here about hardware, firmware, software, and we have upgraded our firmware for twice. So if your Blitz DT9 transmitter is still for the old version, you can download our latest firmware update online yourself. You can check the YouTube video on the Blitz DT9 upgrade. And here we will not show you how to upgrade. And the last but the most important step is the program. After you set all this down, and you should press the program. Otherwise, all your setting is just cannot be saved. So we enter the program, and here we enter the wheel to confirm all this setting. If we go back, if we cancel, so we make
ESC program.
So this is done. It's very simple and easy. You don't need to buy extra ESC program card, or you don't need to program the ESC via the usual transmitter that you should hear by hearing the different sound. You should comparing the different item of parameter setting. So this Blitz DT9 transmitter can help you to set your program, your ESC, very simple, very easy. Just you can do as the step, and all the items on the screen where all be viewers. Okay, that's it. Bye.